Ty Dolla Style. Let me show you niggas how to do this shit, man. And I ain't talking about that goof ass dance either. Look, if you sleeping on me, I'ma knock your head off. Now you like the horseman, then I spare it off. I'ma let it rock, Kevin Rudolph. Then I pop a pill, just got flued off. Taught her how you push the whip like it got no gas. Like your grandma used to say, that bitch super fast. Taking off up on you niggas, leave you in the past. Taught her harder than some math, you can't get a pass. No, I keep that glizzy cock, I make it dance like Diddy Bop. Like a train, I cannot stop, final destination is at the top. Like a stalker, I gotta watch my time coming, just check my watch. These niggas hate to see you win it, these niggas jokes and I do not get it. Superstar what she saw, her face so what she thought. Ride me like a seesaw, got her screaming yee-haw. You run with them steppers, I run with them stumpers. You gon' need some helpers, we go in with dunklers. If you gon' compete with me, you gotta do better than that. These niggas so itty bitty tiny, I call them a net. If I take the shot, I bet I'm swishing, I'm hearing the net. I am not a wrestler, but that bitch can get spit on the bed. Looney Tune play in my head, I like when she play in my head. She lay down up on the bed and say I was just in your head. Looney Tune play in my head, I like when she play in my head. She lay down up on the bed and say I was just in your head. Hey, that shit was so raw here, say that shit 2 times, man. Hope it ain't go over your head like an airplane.